So what is perineal massage and why it matters for birth? Perineal massage is actually a simple technique done late in pregnancy to help your body prepare for vaginal birth. Now, it actually targets specifically the perineum, the area between your vagina and your anus, helping it stretch more easily during delivery. Now, the top benefits include lowers risk of tearing. It also reduces the need for stitches and helps scar tissue soften. Now it also boosts body awareness for birth and when to start is the question. Weeks 34 to 36. You want to do this 1 to 2 times a week for just about 5 minutes. Now what you'll need a natural oil, preferably coconut or almond oil, or a water-based lubricant. Avoid petroleum products, altogether go as natural as possible. Naturally healthy mama. Now, how to do it. You're going to wash your hands and trim your nails. You're also going to find a comfy spot. You're going to apply coconut or almond oil and you're going to insert thumbs 1 inch into the vagina. You're going to press down and outward in a U shape. Now, you're going to also have to relax as well as breathe, and luckily, your partner can actually help with this too. Just switch to index fingers and literally communicate. Now, ask your doctor for tips that are tailored for you. You got this, mama.